Today I will be showing you how to make a online 3D design and prepare it to put into your 3D printer. We will start with an online website called Tinkercad, as I don't have the necessary software downloaded to my computer to make these designs. And the beauty of Tinkercad is like it's a cloud type software, so anywhere you go and log in, you have all your designs. I'll start by showing you something simple. This is my name tag. I'm hiding layers right now. I started off with just my name, and then I added this square, and then I added these three holes. Okay, this is my 3D print. Now, after you're done making the print, make sure to look from every single side and make sure that nothing is going through the bottom and that everything is connected so that when you make your print, everything is together and nothing comes out like weird and in pieces. And then we want to export our file in the STL format. Now, after we have exported our file in the STL format, we want to go ahead and download a program called Slicer. Now, you can just Google Slicer and it should be the first one to come up. Slicer is an open software platform for image processing and 3D dimensional visualization. But Slicer can be used to convert file types. So you want to download Slicer now. Because I have a Prusa MK3, I have to get the right version of Slicer with the right drivers. And if I download this one, it'll be specially formatted just for my computer and my printer. So after you download everything, and we're going to want to go ahead and open it. Now the first thing we want to do is hit add and grab our file. We can now use the slicer to export our file in the format G-code, which is what we need to print our file on our printer. Now, as we can see, like I mentioned earlier, this specific version of the slicer, the Prusa edition, is specifically optimized for my printer. So all the print settings, filament settings, and printer settings are set up already. And now here's some live footage of the print being printed on my 3D printer after I put it through the slicer. Now we can see it's moving on the X, Y, and Z axis. This moves up, down, side to side, and back and forth. Now, this is how it makes everything 3D. It just adds little drops of plastic and it builds up your print. Now, make sure to always watch your print because a lot of things can happen. Even your print can be halfway done and have a mistake, and it can all go catastrophically. But that'll be all today.